hungry. Wow, look at these. These
They
are
look
yummy.
yummy.
Oh, well, nobody reads the labels. Why would we need to read the labels for these? It's not like food can kill you.
That'd be so funny.
Oh my god. Alright, let's eat. Man, these are hard to open. Yeah. Safety. Safety. Yum, yum, yum.
Yum, 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 yum.
And it's not like they're poison grams or anything.
That'd be totally unsafe.
I know.
Num, 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 num.
Don't you just love non-poison grams?
It tastes weird.
Wait a second. What does Poison spell?
Poison?
What? Oh, that's so good I can't stop eating it. Warning, may kill you. Oh my gosh, did you notice this? Warning, may kill you. Do 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 do. Or this little angry face says made with extra poison.
It's 100% natural poison.
Why am I still eating this? I'm so stupid.
It's so good.
Oh. Wait a second. I feel lightheaded.
I'm so done.
I'm alive enough to turn off this video.
I'm starving.